Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing where space is used and opening the storage manager. This shows Gmail, Drive, and Photos totals. Once signed in, focus on Gmail's portion because clearing it is the single most direct path to free cloud space. Use the storage manager to list largest messages and attachments and open Gmail in a desktop browser for precise search operators. Make sure you're in the right account because actions are irreversible once trash is emptied and storage reclaimed. Next, you target the heavy items. Use Gmail search operators like has, attachment, and larger, 10 MB to surface messages hogging space. Sort and preview before selecting. Once you select multiple conversations, delete them and then go to trash to permanently remove. Only then is cloud space freed. If attachments live in Drive or Photos, remove duplicates there too, since Gmail can reference files stored elsewhere. Also prune newsletters with older than 1Y and unsubscribe to finish by emptying all trash folders. Gmail trash, Drive trash, and Google Photos trash. This step permanently frees cloud storage. Once done, verify the updated total in Google One. Remember, sync can take time, so allow up to 24 hours and refresh. If space doesn't appear reclaimed, sign out and sign back in, clear browser cache, or retry from a different device. If problems persist, check for other accounts storing data and consider Google support. This prevents surprises and ensures the cleanup sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.